Today we are going to install our DV8 Offroad Speaker Bar Mount. This fits all 2018 and up 4-door JL Wranglers. This bar mount is for anyone looking to install tower speakers or simply make use of its many mounting holes for light bars, light pods, a highlight jack, or anything else you can think of. The tools you will need for this install are a 3/8 ratchet with a 6-inch extension and 13mm socket. The time to install this bar should only take about 15 to 20 minutes with little skill level required, and you can easily do it by yourself with no additional help. Let's get started. This install can be done with or without your top on your JL. This bar cannot be used as soft top since it does utilize the same mounting holes. First, remove the plastic covers on each side of the roll cage simply by grabbing them and pulling away from the roll cage. Slide the speaker bar into place. Using the supplied M8 hardware, loosely install all 4 bolts. We suggest installing the lower bolt first on each side to hold the bar in place. This makes alignment and install of the upper bolts much easier. Ensure the speaker bar bracket is even with the roll cage, and using the 13mm socket, tighten all 4 bolts until the bar is secure. Now you're ready to mount up some gear and hit the trails. If you have any questions or concerns during your install, please do not hesitate to contact us via email or phone.